tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this colorful look. We are going to start with priming the eyes. I'm using the correct conceal in a shade light. I'm taking the flat brush and blend all the way up to my eyebrows. I like to use the foundation brush because it helps with the streak-free application. Next, I'm mixing the orange and pink shade from the Posh palette festival to make a kind of a red shade and apply it on the upper part of my eyelid just below the eyebrows using a soft blending brush. After that, I swap for another clean blending brush and I take some green of the same palette and do the same, but in the middle part. Blend it with the reddish shade. Then I'm taking another clean brush and apply the yellow in the inner part of the eye. Make sure you blend the colors well using a clean blending brush. Now I'm going to clean the crease using a cotton bud with some makeup remover. This is where I'm going to apply a concealer so I can start with a clean canvas. I am carefully cutting the crease with the concealer and a small flat brush. Now that I've cut the crease, I can start applying eyeshadows on the bottom part of the eyelid. Again, I'm taking the orange and pink to make red and apply it in the inner corner, leaving a small gap, just like so. do the same with the green. I'm using the line as my guide and trying to maintain the shape. Last but not least, we apply the yellow in the outer corner, creating a wing liner shape and still maintaining the shape of the gap. Don't worry if your wing doesn't work out, you can always clean it up. And next, I'm going to apply the same shade below the waterline. I am using the HD Felt Tip Eyeliner to draw my wing. This is a tricky part for me. Next, I'm taking the Twist eyeliner pencil in black and I'm lining the eyes ready for mascara. The mascara I'm using is the Define FX Mascara. I am only going to apply one coat because I am using false lashes. Next step is foundation. I'm using the Matte FX foundation in the shade Natural, a bit on the back of my hand, and apply it using my stippling brush. Make sure you blend it well with your neck. I apply my concealer in the inner and outer corner and then blend using the blending sponge, or you can use a brush. I like to use both. It's always good to apply the concealer after your foundation. It helps you to highlight the under eyes. Just make sure you're blending upwards, not downwards. Next, I'm contouring using my matte bronzer in the shade Medium. You can watch some of my previous videos about contouring. Here I am using the Twist lip liner in Raspberry Smooch. Lip liner stops your lipstick from bleeding and keeps your lipstick nice and neat during the day. the lipstick I went for is the lipstick in a shade Naughty. This is a glossy lipstick. And here is the finished look. Do you like it? Let me know. Like, share, comment, show some love. Thanks for watching. Bye.